Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee is conducting consultations on the administration of Parliament Amendment Bill 2024. The committee engaged with opposition political parties, starting with Alliance for National Transformation, Uganda People's Congress and Forum for Democratic Change Party. The President, Alliance for National Transformation, General Mugisha Muntu, proposed that Lumu Bill should not be passed because it is recipe for disaster in Uganda, emphasizing that whatever is being done should look at building strong institutions.
To appoint a leader of opposition from outside their control, you have created a second power center.
So let's not create an avenue, colleagues, that will literally scatter the opposition, which ordinarily should guide this country.
National Coordinator Alliance for Transformation Political Party Ali Salasso says that what is being proposed in the bill is a defect to multipartyism and nothing is broken that the bill seeks to fix. They say that the political party with numerical strength must be the one to submit the name of the leader of opposition, emphasizing that if the bill is enacted, it will take away the powers of the official opposition party.
This bill completely in its entirety, and we simply request this committee to recommend to the House that this bill does not go to second reading. That is the only prayer.
Members of Parliament had different reactions to this statement, emphasizing that Lumu is bringing this bill to bring harmony, citing some rifts in the leadership of NUP as the party with the leader of opposition.
Parties. They are different parties with different ideologies, different objectives. So bringing them together
within the National Unity Platform, there has been a series of rifts, especially in the leadership, that has culminated into the parliamentary affairs quite consistently. Would I not be right to look at that in the perspective of a broken situation that needs to be fixed?
Internal challenges within NUP or any other opposition party, it should be left that party to be able to resolve those internal contradictions.
Forum for Democratic Change Party President Patrick Oboya-Muriat says the bill diminishes the position of the official opposition political party in Parliament. Amuriat says it is the opinion of FDC that opposition leadership is determined by the election outcome in the general election, expressing the fear that if the bill becomes law, it will entrench the control by allowing the ruling party manipulate the opposition.
The largest opposition party, the right to elect the law is undemocratic and undermines the power of the very voters that put trust in them. Becomes law, and I hope it doesn't, it would further entrench the NRM's control by allowing the ruling party to manipulate the opposition's leadership. This could lead to a situation where the leader of opposition is forced to toe the NRM's line, fearing impeachment if she doesn't comply.
Robert Centenary from FDC wondered how the mover and seconder of the bill managed to make it and bring it without first consulting from the leadership of their own parties.
Very big shame. And I would, if possible, I would appeal to our colleagues, the leadership of those two political parties, to bring to book these members if they are not willing to shoot down their shameful bill.
Seconded by Honorable Kakembo, a member of the National Unity Platform. And there seems to be a democratic approach to sucking NRM into the mix of the bill. Could this be that there is suffocation within the opposition parties?
The Secretary General UPC, Fred Ebil, says the bill is brought in bad faith, it is redundant, destroys the opposition and is going to cause divisionism. UPC, like other parties that appeared, want Parliament to first look at the Supreme Court pronouncement on electoral reforms.
Instead of causing cohesion in the opposition, it will cause that division in opposition more. So we have a feeling that, honorable members, if we all agree, let us shelve this bill and have the amendments that the Minister of Justice should bring, the constitutional amendments.
That ordered the people in power today to consider certain reforms. This is in the records of the courts of Uganda.
I'm Nafka Farid and Gloria Gwitabinji at Parliament.